Now let's see what we are going to learn this week. We are going to learn about sphere. The volume of a sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cube. Okay, and the total surface area, is 4 pi r square. Okay, very simple. And then we learn another word, hemisphere, which is half of a sphere. That is, if you are asked to find the volume, is 1 over 2 4 over 5 3 pi r cube. Okay, and the surface area, so we find that it is 1 over 2 4 pi r square. That is 2 pi r square. But it is wrong because there's a base here. There's a base which is pi r square plus pi r square. So for hemisphere, there's 3 pi r square. Sorry. Okay, 3 pi r square. Okay, and then we see that the problem is will not only ask you about a sphere, like we'll ask you about an ice cream cone, which composed of a cone and a hemisphere. Okay, and then a bowl, which is a big hemisphere minus a small one. Okay, and you'll see this kind of examples. And then next we go to session 10.5, similar solids. That two formulas. One, you have learned it in form 3. A1 over A2 equals to L1 over L2. For example, you have a rectangle which is a 3 over to 5. This length is another one which is similar to this one. Of course, you have to know that they are similar. If this side is 1 and then you don't know this side, you know that they're similar. So x to 5, okay, is equals to 1 to 3. Okay, once you find out the area, the x of 3, but the area, this one is 15 and this one is x. Okay, so the area is, the ratio is 15 over 3 over 5 area, because this is 15 and this is 5 over 3, which is 9 over 1. That is 3 squared to 1 square. Now for volume, you can have this formula, but remember this is cube to the power 3. Okay, let's see some simple example. For this one, ask you about total surface area. That is area. X you don't know, but you know that the big one is 384 and the length is 328 cube. Sorry, this is about area. Remember, this should be square. Okay, and then we'll look at 4a. You see that you don't know the length x, so you put it in the top left hand corner. Over 1.5 10.5 will equals to the surface area, the volume, the surface area. Remember, this one you have to add the square because you are talking about area. Okay, and now we move to question 3b, talking about volume. You don't know this volume over this volume is equals to 12 over 16 or cube. Okay, therefore you can find out y is equals to something. Okay, I don't have a calculator with me now. And then for b, you're going to find out y, to put it here, over 6, okay, and the corresponding volume 0.55, and then this one is 6.4 pi. And remember, you're talking about volume, so cube, okay. So y over 6 is taking the cube root of 125 over 64, that is 5 over 4, okay. Then you should notice that y over 6 equals to 5 over 4, that is y equals to 7.5, okay, 7.5. For these two examples, you may find it seems that very easy, but actually it is not.